What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the vlogs. I know it's been a while. You need to stop. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the vlogs. I know it's been a while since I've picked up a camera. I've just been super busy with work and then everything else that's been happening around me. So I haven't been really picking up the camera. But that's gonna change because I am back on my normal schedule and back to making videos for you guys again. So I hope you guys are excited, just as excited as I am. Alright, so as you can see, I'm in the Supra today. Obviously I don't have the STI anymore, but so I kind of just want to, so for this vlog, I kind of just want to talk about, okay, first of all, I've had this car for about almost a month now. I think it's like 3 weeks or something like that, if not a month. And I've just been driving it around, honestly, and I've been just falling in love. More and more I drive this car because like it's such a nice car. It's so fun. But anyways, in this vlog, I kind of want to talk to you guys about why exactly I traded my STI in. Like, I want to go, I know I've talked about it in my other videos if you guys have been watching, but I kind of want to talk more into why I decided to buy the Supra and not just keep the STI. It's so crazy. Alright, well, I guess first and foremost, I'll just get out of the way. I love driving the STI. It was a really fun car to me, honestly. It's just, it was fun. Like, if I were to get another manual, it definitely have to be an STI. Like, cause like just the way the manual transmission and everything about that car is just amazing. Like, it was a really fun car to drive and everything. It's just, I think I just outgrew it a little bit. You know, like driving two manual cars as my only cars is kind of a pain, because I drive my Honda that's a manual and then I had the STI that's a manual, so it's kind of like it kind of got annoying after a while just driving my go this way actually, driving my STI, you know. So like I wanted something a little more fun, a little faster, and I wanted a nice automatic transmission. I know it sounds kind of lame, like why would you buy an automatic, you know, but after driving this car, and even before I started driving this car, I have a friend that has a 440i, a BMW, and it has the same exact transmission and like almost the same exact motor, except this one's a little faster. But I fell in love with that transmission so fast, because it's so fast and it's so smooth and it's just insane. It's like, I don't know, like if you guys ever get a chance to test drive a new Supra or just like any of the 40 series in that matter, just test drive one out and you guys will know what I'm talking about. Like, it takes a lot for me to be able to say, oh, I want another automatic, because it has to be really special in order for me to say like, oh, I want an automatic again or something like that, you know, to step away from the manual. If it's not crazy, I wouldn't get an automatic. Like, and I'm not talking crap, but I've driven Q50s. I haven't driven a new Lexus, but honestly, like, I've driven the Q50s and like they don't really blow my mind. Like, they're not fast. They're fast. They're not fast though, if that makes sense. They're fast like compared to any ordinary car, but they're not like sports car fast. Like, they're not what I expect for fast to be, if that makes sense, you know. So that was a big thing that I was looking out for in another car also. And like that's what the Supra does so well also. Like, it's fast. Like the I forgot what kind of transmission this car actually is, but they're not DCTs, but when you need it to shift fast, it'll shift fast. Like, I'll try to give you guys an example. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it, but I'll give you guys an example. So I'm in second gear right now. I'm just gonna go barely on the throttle. Shifts. It's like instant. It's like almost instant. And this thing's quick. it's quick and it's fast and it handles super well. You get so many like looks. People look at you so much in this car, like it's crazy how many compliments I get in this car. Like it's kind of funny. Funny story. Like I was going to the gym with my buddy like a couple weeks ago, and there's these two kids, and I just pulled up next to a 7-Eleven at a stoplight, and these kids are like, "Yo, it's a Supra!" And it was kind of funny because like you never heard that from like having an STI or anything, so it's kind of crazy how much attention this car gives you, even though it's not the flashiest car, but like the people that know what car it is, like it's cool to see it's cool to put a smile on people's faces, you know, like to show them a car, or like for them to see a car that they don't usually normally see, and it's just cool to see their reaction and all that. I don't know, I think it's kind of funny. Man, is this thing fucking quick, dude. Like I drove the Hellcat, and I honestly think this car is way more fun than driving the Hellcat. I don't know. For those Subi owners, you guys know how pretty unreliable EJ motors are, and like I wanted to do power mods to them. I just didn't want to deal with the problems that those EJ motors have. Like even though my engine was still like fairly new, it's just you don't know what's gonna happen to those motors. Like and to make power, you have to do so much to the car to get even a little bit of power. With these B58 motors, you literally a downpipe, exhaust intake, a tune, you're at what, like 400 the wheels easily, maybe a little bit more, but like you're literally probably over 400 the wheels, and that's crazy to think about. So like the mods you do to this car is so accepting, and it takes it so well that I feel comfortable actually trying to mod this car and all that. So I'm really excited to do that also. So I'm not sure when exactly I'm going to start doing mods, but I'm going to soon. This car is just very expensive, and the mods for this car are very expensive, so it's going to take a little while. I'm sorry. But the first thing I want to do is I want to get this car ceramic coated to protect the paint because it's black. And I've had a black car. I've had 3. This will be my 3rd black car. And I know how bad the paint gets. And it's so annoying. And it's such a big pet peeve of mine to have a dirty car, especially swirl marks on a car. So I want to get this car coated. That's going to cost a pretty penny. After that, I'm going to get an exhaust. And from my last car, my STI, you guys should know what brand I'm getting. So I want loud and ignorant. So that's a little hint. I'm sure you guys already know what exhaust it's gonna be. All day, brothers. Also, this car is, I said it before, but this car is fast. This car is torquey, and when that boost hits, it's quick. It hits you really fast. There's like honestly barely any lag to this car, especially with how big the turbo is. But like this engine does everything so well that it's actually mind-blowing how fast it is, you know. Even for a stock car, it's quick for what it is. And a lot of the times BMWs underrate their stock horsepower. Like they'll say it's 382, and most of the time, like the STI, it was 310, but it's more like 200 and like 50 or something like that wheel horsepower. With the Supra, it's more like the crank horsepower is like 382, wheel horsepower is probably like 350, 340 maybe, and that's a lot of power. So there are some complaints that I have to this car though, like the interior's there's some parts that are nice, and then there's a couple parts that are like cheap. Like for the most part, the front is aesthetically pleasing, and like it has a lot of like leather and soft leather and all that. But once you get to the back, like right here, I don't know if you can see it, like right here and stuff, it's all plastic. And like for a car that costs this much, you'd think that they put a little more money into some of the parts, like right here. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, this by the door, this thing is plastic, and like I guess that's where the Toyota part comes in. Please don't roast me. I know Toyota has some cheap parts, okay? But like for a premium package Supra, I feel like there shouldn't be any plastic at all, especially for the price you're paying. So I don't know. That might just be me. I might just be nitpicking. It doesn't like super bother me, but you know, I just prefer no plastic. You need to, sir, you need to pull up, please. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to watch or want to see on my channel with the Supra. Like, I don't want to do like a lot of the old videos that I did, like talk about like what I'm planning to do to the car, because like I don't know, I would rather not recycle content or anything like that. I'm gonna do another POV vlog of this car, but I feel like that'd be a little boring without any noise that's coming from the car, because it's so hard to hear this car inside the cabin. So I don't know about that, but I've been thinking about it, and I've been having a little trouble, but I'll probably figure it out.
Waiting. What can I get for you?
Can I please get an iced matcha green tea latte and a grande?
A grande iced matcha. What else?
And then can I get a double smoked bacon cheddar and egg sandwich, please?
Sorry, what was that?
The double smoked bacon and egg.
A double smoked bacon?
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
And that'll be it.
Alright, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you. Another thing with this car that's like kind of hard to do is like, since the windows are so small, and I have to sit so low to the ground because like I'm tall, like I barely have any headroom. Like when I go through like drive-throughs or anything like that, like I usually stick my head out the window so they could hear me better, but like it's kind of hard to do that in this car. I have to kind of struggle and like push my head out the window, so like that's one thing. This car is definitely not meant for tall people. Like I'm 6 foot, and like I am probably the perfect size. Like any taller than this, you're probably not gonna have a very fun time being in this car. I have a couple friends that drove the car that are like 6 foot, like 2 and stuff. Like, and it's a tight fit for them. But like I'm pretty small, but like I'm tall also, so like I fit pretty perfectly, like and comfortably. So. But yeah, so like this car is very small. Like it's surprising when I sat it. I was like, God damn, this thing is small. Alright, for some reason, I guess I didn't press the record button after I paused the recording for the last clip that you guys just saw. But as you can see, I'm recording this vlog right now. But yeah, I mean, I guess I thought I recorded. I had a lot more stuff to talk about, but it was mostly like small stuff and like how low I sit to the ground in the car and all that stuff. So just a couple other things here and there and all that. But yeah, nothing super crazy. So that'll be the end of the vlog. Like I said, I thought I pressed the record button. I do apologize about that, but nothing else really happened after that last clip, so I just went home and that's it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I haven't been uploading lately. I've just been, like I said, super busy. Hopefully I'm gonna get in the groove, and I'm gonna get back into the routine of vlogging and making videos for you guys. But yeah, I do hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna try my best to start modding the car more. Like I said, it's an expensive car, parts aren't cheap, but I'm gonna try my best to upload some content for you guys. But I hope you guys are just patient with me, and hope you guys stick around and keep watching my videos. So like I said, in all my videos, I appreciate you guys all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.